Okay.
But if you're gonna keep the bike upright and not lean, you can keep pedaling.
I like these fast trails a lot.
This one will get fast towards the end. Because it'll start to go downhill some.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Tired?
Oh geez, going into upshift. Or downshift either. Oh.
Easier.
Oh, I'm not used to I'm not used to these gears. When you get downhill.
Be a downhill coming up.
Okay.
Getting that tired?
Yeah.
Huh?
I guess. I lost some traction. That was bumpy. I wonder how that was on camera. Probably as bumpy as it was.
Nope, you got in the wrong gear.
Stalled.
Good save, bro. Good save. Gotta use that power.
Oh, Africa.
Keep going. Go all the way around.
I'm recording.
Keep recording.
Okay, alright. Now that was the video. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.